best. Go to the bank and I cash that check. Guess what's next? I'll be the best. Don't get confused, I'm a liar about this cause I always produce. Y'all choose me so.
How's it going, guys? It's George back at it. We're gonna go fishing at Seawolf again. I'm right here with my niece and my mom, everybody. We're about to head out fishing for Thanksgiving. Mario's already fishing over there, my dad too. I'm heading over there. I brought my car and my brother brought his truck because, well, he has to work Friday, okay? So yeah, we're about to head over there. Huh? There you go, Pepe.
Y'all said too, I want a fishing club, man. Finna get serious. Hope y'all enjoy the full video and let's get it done.
It's small, it's a catfish.
Wait, little, right there.
Ya lo sacó.
Wait, whenever you pull up, don't reel. ¿Adapi? Ya te voy a voltear.
It's 2 in the morning, guys. We're here fishing. You caught a fish? Yeah. Catch too many fish. It's awesome. It's a beautiful night. Cold, about 53 degrees. My best fishermen are right here. Pepe and Josi Samarron. That's what I like about fishermen. They love fishing. Two catfish and one red. Awesome. 2 in the morning, guys. Awesome. My baby rod. My other baby. Mexican rod too, by the way. Yeah. Keep an eye on it now. It's probably a big fish. Pretty decent size, at least. I know that. Yeah. It's a nice black. We're actually getting ready for the bull red tournament. It's gonna be this Sunday. Nah, it's not the bull red tournament. For this Sunday, it's gonna be at where's it gonna be at?
The tournament in Freeport.
Freeport. We're gonna go to Freeport. It's gonna be for the biggest size. It's gonna be winner takes all. So there's about 30 people out there or more. And I'm putting a new line right now because I didn't have enough. Since well, I've been fishing a lot. So it's about time to change the line. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm changing line and we're getting ready for the tournament in 2 days. 2 days. Stay tuned. We will be uploading it. Hopefully we win. I'm about to fix my squiller. It's about 33 years old and I still love it. It's crazy heavy, but it's good. I'm about to clean it right now, but I'm not liking the rattle right now, so I'm gonna be using 50-pound line right now for Sunday. It's 50 pounds, Cabela's, pink.